What is up, everyone? We made it through this year. Another year has come to an end. And I don't know about you, but if you go back and look to my video from last December 31st, man, it did not turn out the way I thought it was going to. I talked about kind of having a big year. I was planning on traveling to as many shows as I could all year long, and it didn't work. I mean, I was able to hit some shows, and with those shows I met a lot of you guys, a lot of people, a lot of fellow mini truckers, a lot of fellow YouTubers, which is pretty rad. I'm hoping to do more of that this year. We got February, we got LST, April, we got Mini Truck Nats. What is it, June? I want to say it's end of June. We got the East Tennessee Showdown. So we're going to be hitting those shows again. I would love to try to hit some other shows. If you guys know of some other shows for me to hit, let me know. Battle of Bama, I know is, that's what, a week, 2 weeks after East Coast Mini Nats. That one, I would love to go to that show, but that one's going to be a little rough for me to get to, just for being so close to East Coast Mini Nats, which is a show you don't want to miss. So I encourage you to get out, see that show, because I mean, if you're a mini trucking fan, to me that's the biggest show of the year for it. So don't miss that one. As far as in the garage, still got the Suburban. You know, what I need to do on this one is I need to get the body back in here. I need to get it up. I need to get the floor of the body cut out to sit down over that. I need to build the body mounts for it, make sure everything's squared away on that, get the body mounts built, and once I get the body mounts built, I mean, we should really be able to book trying to get this thing rolling or something. I want to buy tubular control arms for the front. That's kind of what's been holding me up as far as getting the whole chassis in a rolling state. I gotta figure out what motor I'm doing. I think I'm doing an LS in it. It's just gonna be a simple Gen 3 553. Well, I have a Gen 4. Not sure if I'm gonna use it yet. Probably just gonna do a Gen 3 just because it's less to deal with. I gotta get the motor sat in, cross members built, everything with that. As far as the S10, we got the back all but done. We got the bed in here. The bed's gonna start getting cut out. The motor, I got the wiring pretty well figured out. I'm gonna start laying that on the motor, trying to get everything ran. There's still a couple sensors I need to get for it. Then we can start buttoning that up. I wanna have the S10 driving by springtime. So we'll call that, now we'll look back at this video, we'll call that April 1st. I want to have the truck driving by April 1st. Yeah, Silverado, it's not a mini truck. That's basically just a driver that I wanted to do a lift on, so we're not going to worry about that. I do have a new car that I bought. I don't know if it was because I wanted to buy it or I had to buy it. It's a long story, but I've acquired the car now, and I'll save that at a later date. I don't know what's going to happen with that thing. I might try to trade it for something else, maybe another Mini. You let me know. Should I keep the new car or buy another Mini with it? We'll see. So, with that being said, I want to thank everybody for checking out the channel this year, subscribing. Just over 500. I want to get to that 1,000 mark, so share the page around, share the channel around. Everybody, let's make 2021 a better year than 2020. That was a train wreck. I don't think anybody asked for that. But have a good night. Stay safe. Happy New Year. Keep Mini Trucking alive.